Well, thank you for joining me on this Tuesday afternoon, February 12th, 2013. I'm your student meteorologist, Ben Reppert, here at the Campus Weather Service, bringing you your updated forecast. And as we take a look outside our weather window here on a Tuesday afternoon, it's a pretty nice day here in State College. We've got the partly cloudy skies going on. This, of course, live look from the Walker Building studios here. It's currently 34 degrees with a partly cloudy sky, and with a wind out of the west at about 9 miles an hour, it feels more like it's 26, so definitely still jacket weather here in central Pennsylvania. Right now across the state, in terms of these temperatures, we're pretty uniform. Across the center region, mid to upper 30s for the most part, except for Coffin Rock at 29. And as we zoom out, you can see we've got temperatures in the 30s for the northern half, with the exception of Bradford, and actually some 40s showing up down here in the southeast. It's currently 43 in Harrisburg, 40 in Allentown, and 48 degrees in Philadelphia. The winds, however, are the bigger story this afternoon. We're currently gusting to 22 miles an hour in State College, so that's maybe blowing you around a little bit if you're walking back from class. And for the most part, these winds, while gusty now, they will begin to diminish as we head into the overnight hours. Future wind gusts says that by the time we get to later tonight, the winds will generally be between about 5 and 10 miles an hour, and they will continue to slacken off as we head into your Wednesday. So tomorrow, we won't need to talk about wind chill like we did today. So that's certainly some good news. Now, our weather is relatively quiet. Nothing to talk about here across the center region, and even for the Commonwealth for that matter. You have to go way up here, up off of Lake Ontario, to see any sort of snow shower activity. And we do have a little bit that could be headed our way, but it looks like the brunt of our next storm system will stay to the south of Centre County. Here's a look at our eye on the future. By tomorrow morning, just looking at some increase in clouds moving up from the south. By the afternoon, here comes that southern storm system, but notice the bulk of the precipitation stays across the southern part of the state. So tomorrow night, heading home from work, heading home from class, it should still be dry, although we can't rule out a few snow showers for the evening into the early part of the overnight. But as you head to the southeastern part of PA, that's where you'd have to go to see any real chance to see some accumulating snow. Thursday, another weak system will approach from the west, but this, again, should not be a big deal, aside from a few rain or snow showers, and then it quickly clears out, giving way to more sunshine for the day on Friday. Now, as we look ahead, Valentine's Day is also on Thursday, so what can you expect for your sweetheart? Well, 42 degrees, partly sunny skies, and not much of a breeze. So a nice day for Valentine's Day. Overnight tonight, looking for lows to be in the mid-20s. We'll see increasing clouds ahead of that storm system, and the breeze will die down, so that's good. We'll see winds about 5 to 15 miles an hour, and then calming down to about 0 to 5 overnight. During the afternoon tomorrow, we'll see a few light snow showers move in. The high makes it to 40, so we're going to have a hard time seeing any accumulations too when you're talking about temperatures like that. Now, the Campus Weather Service 7-day forecast shows there's your Valentine's Day for Thursday, 42. Very nice day. But Friday, winter-like again, 37 will be the high. A storm system is going to be somewhere in the vicinity of the East Coast on Saturday. Does it come close enough to bring us some rain and snow showers? The jury's still out on that one, so stay tuned. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, an Arctic blast of air moves in. 26 to 30 will be the highs over this period starting next week. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm Ben Reppert. We'll see you back here tomorrow.